Hello everyone. Let's see Maharashtra State Board paper pattern question number 4 A and B. Now see question number 4A. In this question, an unseen passage or non-textual passage consisting of 15 to 18 lines will be provided. A passage not from the textbook. Remember, a passage not from the textbook. Question number 4A will be of comprehension activities of 10 marks. Now questions, 5 questions are there. A1, simple factual activity, 2 marks question, like name the following, who said to whom, match the columns, complete the web diagram, complete the sentences, choose the correct alternative, true or false, arrange the events in chronological order, etc. A2, complex factual activity, the 2 marks, like complete the sentences, justify, explain, describe, enlist, give reasons, correct the false statements, completing the web diagram, choose the correct alternatives, match the columns, name the following, who said to whom, etc. And A3, activity based on vocabulary, that also 2 marks question. Antonyms means opposites, synonyms means meanings, provide meanings, form meaningful sentences from given words, phrases, rearrange letters to form meaningful word, etc. Next, question number A4, activity based on contextual grammar, that also 2 marks question. Do as directed, change the voice, direct and indirect speech, phrases, clauses, transformation, word formation, tense, punctuations, articles, WH questions, question tags, types of sentences, prefix, suffix, parts of speech, gerunds, present participles, past participles, infinitives, subject and predicate, degrees of comparison, determiners, etc. And A5, activity based on personal response, expression, creativity and imagination, that also 2 marks question, such as state your opinion, what do you feel, what would you do if you were in a similar or same situation, if you were in the narrator's place, etc. And one more thing, try to finish question number 4A of unseen passage within 20 minutes. If you want to score full marks, refer to past all activity sheets, means earlier question papers, to get an idea of what can be asked question number 4A, unseen passage. Okay, now next question number 4B, summary writing. For more information, you watch summary writing video. You will get all information about summary writing. Now, how will be the question? Write a summary of the passage given in question number 4A above in about 100 words. Suggest a suitable title, 5 marks question. Here you will be asked to write the summary of the non-textual passage given in question number 4A. Note the following while attempting this question. Okay, you note the following while attempting this question. A summary about 1/3 of the number of words of the given passage. Listen again, a summary about 1/3 of the number of words of the given passage. It should contain only the essential ideas of the original passage. The summary should be as simple, short and original as possible. A title must be provided to the summary and it must be in harmony with the summary. Now marking scheme. For suitable title 1 mark, central idea or theme 2 marks, use of proper language 2 marks, total 5 marks. And one more thing, try to finish summary writing within 10 minutes. Listen again, try to finish summary writing within 10 minutes. Now next question number 5. Question number 5. A1 and A2, two questions are there. Question number 5, letter writing, 5 marks question. Formal letter, A1 formal letter or A2 informal letter. In this activity sheet, common guidelines will be given for both the letters, formal and informal, in the form of ads, webs, leaflets, news reports, headlines or other pictorial information. You have to write any one letter, formal or informal. Any one letter you have to write, 5 marks question, and within 15 minutes you have to complete this question. Listen again, within 15 minutes you have to complete question number 5. Formal letter or informal letter, any one letter you have to write. The block format must be used while writing the letter. In this format, all the components of the letter are aligned to the left margin of the page. Listen again, the block format must be used while writing the letter. In this format, all the components of the letter are aligned to the left margin of the page. Write the names given in the activity sheet instead of ABC, XYZ, etc. Try to finish letter writing within 15 minutes, and for more information you watch formal and informal videos.